On the morning of February 13, after another round of negotiations failed, a peaceful march set out for Punjab for the capital Delhi. However, the farmers were met with violence and inconveniences that have resulted in injuries and the death of at least one young man, 20-year-old Alberta Singh. A number of my constituents are concerned about the violence facing farmers in India as they attempt to march once again to the capital Delhi to have their concerns about the land and food insecurity heard. Protests continue over agriculture laws, which could threaten India's vibrant agriculture sector, a sector that employs about 55% of India's population. Yet Indian farmers and their families subsist on an average income that is below the poverty line. Yet modern farming practices means that farmers must take on high levels of debt and burdens of poverty and ever-increasing debt and resulting in suicide and substance abuse. This is an untenable situation and farmers want change. Since 2021, farmers have been negotiating for guaranteed crop prices to be extended so that crops can be diversified while mitigating risk on small-scale farmers. Farmers have also asked for a debt waiver, a pension for farmers, protection for indigenous rights to land and water, as well as improvements in seed quality. On the morning of February 13, after another round of negotiations failed, a peaceful march set out for Punjab for the capital Delhi. However, the farmers were met with violence and inconveniences that have resulted in injuries and the death of at least one young man, 20-year-old Alberta Singh. At a time of year when Punjabi Canadians plan to travel to Punjab and visit their family in farming villages, many are concerned for their safety. I hope all members of this assembly can agree that one of the necessary foundations for democratic countries is the right to protest peacefully, as has been highlighted by Amnesty International, and I for one support the farmers' continued right to do so without fear of violence.